Good. Okay, so we will learn about new topic today, pressure and surface. Actually, we will learn also about pressure in liquid and air and gas pressure in the next weeks. Okay. So today we will focus on pressure and the surface. One question. Let's see this tank on the desert. You see the tires are so many and it is connected by a conveyor. Question is, why does this tank need so many wheels and a conveyor? Okay, we will try to answer the question by doing an observation. Do you bring the eggs that I told you last week to bring today? Yeah, good. Okay, let's go outside. Okay guys, do you bring the eggs?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, I want you to put the eggs in your right hand. Already done?
Yes.
Okay. Please squeeze the egg as strong as you can. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze the egg as strong as you can. Is that as strong as you can? Is that the strongest
Yes.
force you can give? Come on, try to break the eggs. If you can break the eggs by squeezing it, I will give you prize. Come on, can you do it?
No, I can't.
Stronger, stronger. Fatma, is that the strongest force? Come on, break the egg. So, everybody, you've seen that you are not strong enough to break the eggs. Okay, anybody can explain? Yeah.
Bisa-bisa aja ya kalau kan.
Uh-uh.
Ya, soalnya kayaknya nih karena permukaan untuk pressure-nya, tekanannya ke telur itu sama rata ke luas permukaannya, jadi kayaknya dia nggak pecah. Contohnya kalau misalkan dia luas permukaannya lebih kecil, kayak kita lagi mecahin pakai garpu atau pakai pisau, dia kan bakal udah pecah. Ini karena luas permukaan tekanannya sama rata, penuh itu, kayaknya dia nggak pecah.
Okay,
Ya, nggak tahu deh.
very good, very good. Okay, my question is, kamu ngasih apa ke telurnya?
Ya, tekan lah.
Kamu ngasih force, ya, gaya. You give force. So when you try to break the eggs using fork, ya, pakai garpu, do you give force as well? Kamu kasih gaya juga nggak kalau kamu pakai garpu? Iya, betul. But as you say that the fork has smaller area, berarti force-nya bakal gimana? Concentrated or spread? Kalau kamu pakai garpu, force-nya bakal fokus atau bakal menyebar? Yes, when you use the force will be focus. But if you squeeze the egg, the force will be will be all around the egg, will be spread, will be distributed. So the force will be distributed and the pressure will be smaller. Iya, betul. Kalau kamu hancurin pakai garpu, pressure-nya besar atau kecil? Kalau pakai garpu, pressure-nya besar, makanya telurnya bisa retak gitu. Karena force-nya tadi concentrated gitu. Okay, well done with the observation. Now you can answer the question, right? Why does this tank need a very large conveyor and many wheels under it? Yes, because it has great weight. Weight is a force, so the force from the tank must be spread, must be distributed to the wheels and to the conveyor, so it can reduce the pressure from the force. Yeah? If the pressure is too big, well, maybe the tank will sink into the desert. Okay, that would be dangerous. Okay, let's see the next example. Yeah, tractors. You see the difference between these tractors. This is the first one, very big tractors. with the very big wheels, the small tractors with the small wheels. Yeah, you see the difference, right? So you know the answer. Why the big tractors need big wheels and more wheels than the smaller one. Yeah, so it won't sink into the ground because the big tractors has greater weight or greater force, so the force must be distributed to reduce the pressure. Okay, good. Next, foundation of our house. See, this is the wall, this is the foundation. The wall is absolutely having a great mass or force. So to reduce the pressure, you have to make a wide foundation. Yeah? So the wall won't break. We always talk about how to reduce the pressure by using a wide area to distribute the force, right? But the question is pressure always be a hindrance? What do we have to always reduce the pressure? Don't we need the pressure? Okay. To answer this question, let's watch a video. See, sometimes you also need pressure. Okay, so of course pressure is not always be a hindrance. Of course we need pressure, yeah. If you want a big pressure, you have to use a small area, yeah, or a sharp area, such as when you are cutting something, you need a sharp knife, yeah. So the small force from your hand can produce a great pressure to cut, such as this shallot or onion. Okay, and of course, if you want to nail something, you need a sharp nail. It means great pressure. Or if you are a soccer player, you need spikes under your soccer shoes, so it will give pressure to the ground. So what produces pressure? I believe you already know the answer. Yes, force. Force produces pressure when the force is acting over an area. Okay, so the pressure depends on the force and the area. How does it depend? Based on your observation? Pressure is force over area. Yeah, P stands for pressure, F is force, and area, A is area. The pressure as a unit is Newton per meter square or Pascal. The force as a unit is Newton, and the area as a unit is meter square. If you want to use the triangle formula, it doesn't matter. So to find pressure is force divided by area. To find area is force divided by pressure. To find force is pressure times area. Okay? So the next question, how to increase or reduce pressure? To increase or reduce pressure based on this formula or based on your observation, if you relate it to the area, how do you increase pressure? Do you reduce the area or do you increase the area? Yes. To increase pressure, you have to increase the force or reduce the area. For example, if you want a greater pressure, you want to be massaged, for example, by your little toddler brother or by your mom. Of course, by your mom, right? Because your mom can give you greater force, greater pressure. If you want to increase the pressure, for example, if you want to cut something, you use want to reduce the pressure, of course, you have to do the inverse way. Yeah, you have to reduce the pressure, reduce the force, and increase the area. Okay. So these are these are three identical cuboid. Yeah. Which position of this cuboid will produce the greatest pressure? So because the size is identical, it means they have equal mass, yeah, they have equal force. So to produce greatest pressure, you have to pay attention to the area that touches the surface. This area, and this area. Greatest pressure means you have to get smallest area. Yeah, the answer is C. Good. Next, this is the sample of IGCSE question. A young boy skating on a frozen pond has fallen through some thin ice about 10 meters from the shore of the pond as shown in the following figure. A man standing near the pond. This is the young boy, this is the man. Here's the boy's shouts for help. The man weighs more than the boy. Why would it be unsafe for the man to walk on the ice to rescue the boy? Anybody? Yes, correct. Because the man weighs more means more force. Yeah, remember weight is also force. Yeah. So greater force means greater pressure. Greater pressure means it is easier for the man to break the ice, so it is unsafe. So suggest and explain what the man could do to cross the ice to reach the boy safely. Yeah, he can use a snowboard, correct? He can use a sled. Yeah, why must he use that? Correct, to make the area larger. If the area is larger, what happened to his weight or his force? Distributed. Good. If the force is distributed, what happened to the pressure? The pressure becomes smaller. Good job. Okay, everyone, I guess that's all for today. Next session, we will do questions related to pressure, but we will use the formula that we learned today in the work problem. Okay. So the conclusion today, what produces pressure? And force. Good job. And next, if the force is acting over a small area, will the force concentrated or distributed? Good, concentrated. If the force is concentrated, the pressure will be bigger. Yes. But if the force is acting over a large area, what happens to the force? Distributed. If the force is distributed, what happens to the pressure? Smaller. Good job. Is pressure always be a hindrance? No, sometimes you need pressure. Example, pressure as a help? Yes. Using sharp knife for cutting, sharp nail, yes, spikes, and the slashes. Correct. Good job, everyone. And one more thing, the SI unit of pressure, meter per meter square or Pascal. Okay. I guess that's all for today. You've done a very good job today. Thank you and see you.